Hello my friends, it's Aki here. Today I want to share with you a very cool piece of tech that I picked up during my recent trip to Japan. This minimalist looking thing right here is actually a CD player. Now, I'm not super obsessed with audio gear or anything, and honestly, I have been only using YouTube Music and the Apple Music on my phone to listen to majority of my music. But lately, I've been wanting to really elevate that experience, right? And having something physical to listen music to just felt like it's the easiest way to upgrade to do that. So before I even went to Japan, I kind of knew I would be picking something that's audio related equipment, like the CD player or maybe a cassette player. And I ended up getting this one right here. This is the km5, the CP2 model. I don't think most of you have heard of this. Maybe I'm wrong, but it's such a great looking machine. I love the white finish, the boxy design, the minimalist features, and it looks very retro and futuristic at the same time. So I got it at a big music store chain called a Record Tower in Tokyo, Japan. If you're going to Japan, I definitely recommend checking it out. I got super lucky though, because out of the 5 stores I visited, only one Record Tower actually had this CD player in stock. So I grabbed it right away for about 150 bucks. If I math it correctly, 22,000 yen. But I will drop a link down below if you want to check it out. But I haven't really seen it so in the US or some other places. So the design just really speaks out to me, right? The bold buttons on the side, the clear acrylic window so you can see the disc spinning inside. It's such a cool feature, makes the whole music experience feel like so much more connecting and engaging. Every CD has its own artwork too, so seeing the color and the graphics while it plays, honestly, is so much fun. Way more engaging than listening on a smartphone where nothing physical is really moving. But don't get me wrong, I still like listening to music on my phone because the user interface is pretty nice. But there's just something different about watching a physical disc spin right in front of me. Another cool thing is that you can take the CD's cover art and slide it under the acrylic on the front panel here. So the player basically becomes a canvas for whatever album you're listening to. I find that super inspiring. The CD player has a built-in speaker, but you can also connect it to external speakers via Bluetooth, or you can connect a pair of headphones to it via the audio cable. I haven't tried connecting to speakers yet, and I'm still looking for a pair that really match the CD player. The CD player is powered by built-in battery and charges through the USB-C, so you can take it outdoors if you want. I love the little screen here. It's not really a screen, it's more like a dotted LED display under the mesh. It shows the track number, the volume, and a few more indications. It's really clean and doesn't distract you like a big, bright, colorful display, LED screen display would do. So I think that's a nice touch. Sound quality wise, it's definitely not on the level of a full hi-fi setup, I would say. Also, it doesn't sound cheap at all. It's got really good clarity, it's got decent bass to it. So the km5 website also has a bunch of accessories. You can mount it on the wall and stand it up vertically. But honestly, I'm super happy with the way it is, just sitting on the table. It already feels like a piece of art. I would say the only downside is really just the availability and the pricing depends on where you live. I mean, outside of Japan, you'll probably be paying a markup for it. I've seen it sold for like $200 and $300, which is crazy. Also, I think the buttons on the side are a little bit hard to see and push because they're all white, very low contrast, but I think I'll get used to it over time with my muscle memory. Overall, I'm really happy that I picked this up. Again, I'm not a music expert. I like to play guitar sometimes just for fun, and this CD player makes the listening to music experience feel very special. I never felt that way. And of course, I also bought a whole bunch CDs in Japan. mostly game soundtracks like the Final Fantasy and anime soundtracks from Studio Ghibli's. And I gotta tell you, they're super cheap if you get them secondhand at stores like Book Off or Hobby Off, usually under 1,000 yen, which translates to about $6. The only tricky part is finding a specific albums if you're looking for. For the new releases, you can find them at the Record Tower, which is where I got this CD player from. I'm really happy with everything I found, and I love how Japan's used market keeps things in such a good condition at great prices. It lets people like us enjoy physical media without spending a ton like we will if you're in the US. I hope you like this little CD player that I picked up and my little story about music stuff in Japan. Check out the link if you're interested. Comment down below, do you think nostalgic stuff like CDs, cassettes, or vinyls are making a comeback in 2025? Let me know down in the comments below. And I will definitely be sharing more fun stuff that I got from Japan very soon. Hope you enjoy.